Hi, I'm Josh from Apt. Here's the new 12.9-inch iPad Pro. We've got a bunch of great features here from Apple. It's huge, all right? We thought it was a laptop when it came in. They stocked it in the wrong spot. It's a big box. It's a big product. Large 12.9-inch Retina display is gorgeous, though. And a lot of people are going to be wondering, why do I want such a big iPad? And the answers are going to be very clear with some great examples we've got. But let's get to the meat and potatoes. You're going to have only a few options. You got 32 gigabytes or you've got 128 gigabytes of storage. So choose your storage. Then you're going to have the option of Wi-Fi only versus the one that has the cellular connectivity. The only major difference there besides a monthly fee is now you have internet everywhere you go. The trade-off is if you're using the cellular connectivity, expect more of a 9-hour battery life instead of a 10-hour battery life on Wi-Fi only. So besides that, we've got some big updates on the inside. The A9X processor is a beast. And when you compare that to like the iPad Air 2, the Air 2 model is actually 1.8 times less performance in the processor, and our graphics doubles. It's twice as more powerful on an iPad Pro. So you've got a big difference in the power of the processor. On top of that, Apple's added 4 speakers total. So it's pretty neat how this works. A lot better sound quality in general, but what happens is the low range frequencies comes across all 4 speakers, and then the mids and the highs. If I'm in portrait mode, the top 2 speakers are now responsible for your mid-range and high range. If I were to switch into landscape mode, it's then going to automatically know I'm in landscape, so the mids and highs are going to come off the top 2 speakers in this orientation. So, pretty cool speaker system, and there's a few different reasons why you might want a bigger screen. And we're going to show you great examples on how that works. It really clarifies why a big screen. All right, here we have our iPad Pro. Right now we're on app.com, we're surfing the web with Safari, and a lot of people are going to buy an iPad Pro for this reason. They want a big screen. And instead of getting a computer, they're going to go with an iPad Pro. But many of us are going to go ahead and make use of special features. Here's a feature called Slide Over. Slide Over lets me quickly pull a panel and switch different applications. Like let's say I'm going to jump over to my calendar and let's see what's cooking for today. And I could quickly glance at an application, and when I'm done, I can just zip right back to my main program that I'm working on. That's called Slide Over. What if I'm in Slide Over and I'm like, you know what, I really want to have one of my applications open. I'm going to need to have my contacts open while I'm going ahead and working in Safari. So let's tap here and enter our split view. Split view actually has 2 applications running simultaneously. So now I could be doing 2 things at once. And this is very new for iOS 9 and best seen here in the iPad Pro 12.9-inch screen. I could swipe it away and go back to one application. There's also a really cool feature. Let me show you here. Let's say if you have YouTube or maybe you have movies inside the Videos app and you go ahead and play that movie. All you're going to do once the movie's playing is you're going to tap your home button once and seamlessly the video is still here. And now I can go and let's go back to Safari while I have my video file still working. And if you want to zoom in or you want to make it smaller, you want to move it onto a certain corner of your screen or get it off the screen, you have that flexibility to once again utilize this giant screen for many new ways that we've never seen before, all thanks to iOS 9. So this is the iPad Pro from Apple. App.com's got a great selection of Apple products, including all the variations that you're looking for in your new iPad Pro. Feel free to go ahead and leave some comments. I'd love to hear what you think about this new screen.